Good day, everyone. So today po, I'm going to discuss to you the lowest Kaiser Plan for the age 51 to 60 years old. So ito po ang K-75 plan. So this is the Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Builder. Alright, so the K-75 plan, yan po ang pinakamababang premium kapag ikaw ay age 51 to 60 years old. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to introduce myself. I am me, Angela Chodoro, one of the Executive Marketing Director in International Marketing Group, a licensed associate financial planner, 6 years as a financial educator and coach, and entrepreneur and investor. So you can also add me in Facebook. So kami po from IMG ang broker or ang sole broker ng Kaiser. All right. Kaiser is duly accredited with the Department of Health. This company is likewise registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. So right now, Kaiser is almost 17 years na po. Alright, and bakit nga ba kailangan registered si Kaiser sa SEC dahil po ang aming product, which is the long-term care, ay may kasama po siyang investment. And lahat ng mga companies na may ino-offer na investment side should be regulated by SEC. Alright, so dito po sa website ng SEC, you can check the registration number ng Kaiser. So the Kaiser Medical Center, Kaiser Medical Clinic, and Kaiser International Health Group. So nandyan po, you can check it online, alright, sa kanilang website. And also, Kaiser is registered sa Insurance Commission. So the Kaiser International Health Group, Inc., makikita niyo po yan sa website ng Insurance Commission sa number 17, which have the license number of HMO 2017-04-R. Okay, so the Kaiser International Health Group, Inc. is the healthcare provider of some of the government agencies here in the Philippines. So isa dyan ang Supreme Court of the Judiciary, the representative for the legislatives, and the Department of Agrarian Reform. So syempre, dahil nga stable na and matagal na po ang ating company, so some of the government agencies, kinuha po tayo as their healthcare provider. Alright, so our ambassadress naman is Miss Sharon Coneta Pangilinan. So sabi ni Sharon, kahit maputi na po ang buhok mo, may Kaiser para sa'yo. Siyempre nga naman, dahil sa pag dumating na po ang time na matanda na tayo at tayo ay magkasakit, si Kaiser po ang mag-aalaga sa atin. Diba? Mas maganda po na nag-prepare tayo na meron tayong healthcare kapag tayo ay magkasakit, kaysa po dumating ang araw na wala tayong pampagamot kapag tayo ay dinapuan na ng sakit. Alright, you should consider your healthcare and protection as a priority. Bakit nga ba? Okay? Ayan. So most of the Filipinos right now, nakikita nyo dito, is nag-jump in po agad sa investment. So yan po ang laging tanong at kagustuhan ng ating mga kababayan. Paano ba mag-invest? Gusto ko mag-invest. But then they neglect the healthcare and life insurance. Ang pinaka-purpose po kasi ng healthcare, yung healthcare is to protect yourself in case po na magkasakit na tayo. And the life insurance is to protect your family in case bigla tayong kunin ni Lord. Okay, so the thing is, naniniglect ito ng ating mga kababayan dahil inuuna nila ang investment. But even if you save a few hundred pesos a month but have no healthcare and life insurance, it will not take you far. When you get sick, kapag nagkasakit ka, na-disable, or die suddenly, bigla tayong kinuha ni Lord, your savings won't last very long. Hindi po magtatagal ang ating ipon. Kaya nga, di ba, most of our kababayan ang nangyayari, Kapag tayo po ay may sakit na, nagkasakit ng isang malalang sakit, ang lahat po ng ating investment, lahat ng ipon or even naipundar ay naibibenta. So syempre kapag wala tayong healthcare fund, pull out tayo ng investment or ipon. So getting long-term healthcare and life insurance are the best investment. So actually the best na investment talaga ito kasi these are part of our basic needs. Kumbaga, basic needs talaga natin sila, especially pagdating ng pagtanda natin. Alright? Ayan. So, si Kaiser is a 720 plan. Alright, 7 years, a saving period. So, kumbaga, 7 years tayo magbabayad kay Kaiser and we have 20 years waiting period para mag-mature siya. So, from the day you started your plan. So, this is the ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So I'm going to discuss to you your benefits from 1st to 7 years. So this is during the accumulation saving period. So from 1 to 7 years. Alright, so si Kaiser po is binibigyan tayo ng free annual physical exam every year. So kapag naging member ka ni Kaiser, you have a free annual physical exam. This is to be administered sa ating mga accredited Kaiser clinics and or mga accredited hospitals. So, pwede natin ipagawa ang basic 5, which is the physical exam, chest x-ray, routine fecalysis, the routine urinalysis, complete blood count, ECG for members above 35, and pap smear for female na above 35 years old. So, pwede po natin ito ipagawa every year, okay, after 1 year. So, free ito, hindi ito considered as claim. Meron din tayong dental benefits na unlimited dental checkup, unlimited pabunot, once a year free dental palinis, re-cementation of jacket, crowns, inlays, onlays, and minor adjustment of dentures or postizo. Right? Basic health benefits. The accredited physician's fee, specialist fee, surgeon's fee, and operating room, hospital intensive care. So, those are our basic health benefits. And meron po tayong room and board na up to 900 per day. So, syempre, pipili tayo ng kwarto natin na around 900 pesos. Kapag lumagpas po yan, tayo po ang mag-shoulder loan. Okay, sa plan na ito, we have 900 separate na pang room and board. And ito na po ang ating hospitalization coverage pag tayo ay na-admit sa hospital. We have the yearly hospital benefit limit of 60,000 per year. After full payment of the first year of the total premium, meaning dapat po nakapagbayad muna tayo ng 1 taon bago natin magamit ang hospitalization. For example, i-admit ka sa hospital, meron ka pong 60,000 na pwede pong gamitin every year. Alright? So note that the above provisions 1, 2, and 3 can be availed after full payment of the first year of the total premium. Meaning, ito pong annual physical exam, okay, dental benefits, and basic health benefits natin is dapat nakapagbayad muna tayo ng 1 year bago natin ito magamit. Okay? So for example, nag-start ka this year and next year, okay, pwede mo na po magamit agad itong annual physical exam. So this is every year hanggang sa ika-7 taon. Okay? Ayan. And then, of course, ayan. Meron tayong consideration naman kung ikaw ay OFW. So this is an advantage if you are an OFW. Okay, for example, nag-start ka ng Kaiser mo this month or this year, and then 2 years ka pa lang po nakakapagbayad. Okay? I mean 2 months. For example, 2 months ka pa lang nagbabayad. And then umuwi ka ng Pilipinas and nagbakasyon ka. Okay? So, doon po, pwede mo na agad magamit ang annual physical exam and the dental benefits. So, nagbibigay po ng consideration si Kaiser sa mga OFW kasi nga tayong mga OFW ay minsan lang umuwi sa Pilipinas. So, kahit hindi pa nakapag 1 year, pwede na magamit ang APE and dental benefits. But of course, the yearly hospital benefit or yung hospitalization po after 1 year talaga. So, yung mga Filipino naman na nagre-reside sa Philippines, ito po talaga ay after 1 year nila magagamit, even the APE and the dental benefits. Alright, so once again, meron po tayong pangpa-hospital na 60,000 per year sa loob ng 7 taon. Sa ika-8 year po, hindi na yan 60,000. Pwedeng mas mataas na dyan kasi po, naka-invest na ang ating pera. Alright? Ayan. So, let's go to the life insurance or the term life from accumulation until the 20th year, the AD&D or the accidental death and dismemberment from accumulation until the 20th year. So, hanggang kailan po tayo covered ng term life? Okay? Sa plan po na ito na K-75, 20 years po. Okay, so itong plan na ito, na sample natin, nag-start siya ng 51. Alright? Kasi nga ito ang pinaka-lowest na plan sa age 51. So 51, ayan. So 20 years, pag 71 niya. Covered po siya ng term life hanggang 71 years old and the AD&D. Alright? Pero kapag after 20 years, may chance or may choice siya na i-continue po ito until the age of 75 up to 80. Okay, so choice niya yon. Yan. So, ano po ba ang purpose ng term life? Okay, ang pinaka-purpose po nito is to protect our family. In case po sa hindi nating inaasahang panahon ay kinuha tayo ni Lord. So, within this timeline, 51 to 71, kapag kinuha ka po ni Lord, may marireceive na insurance amount or lump sum amount ang iyong beneficiary. Magkano ba ang marireceive niya? Okay? Sa plan na ito, we have the long-term care benefit na 75,000 and the long-term care bonus na 262,500. So, ang marireceive po ng iyong beneficiary kapag po ikaw ay kinuha ni Lord. Okay? Sa loob ng timeline na ito, okay, sa 20 years na yan, kapag natural death or namatay sa sakit, is around 337,500. Okay? So, yung mga, tignan nyo na lang po, kasi syempre magkakaiba-iba kayo kung anong age kayo nag-start. So, itong sample natin is 51. Kung ilan po ang age nyo ngayon, dagdagan nyo na lang ng 20 years. Yan po ang coverage ni Kaiser para sa inyong term life. Okay? Pero pag lumagpas po kayo ng hanggang 75 lang din po yan, ha? Pag lumagpas po ng 75 ang 20 years, hindi na po yung covered. So hanggang 75 lang. Alright? And then, there is another thing na kapag tayo ay kinuha ni Lord na ang rason ay aksidente, ang marireceive ng iyong beneficiary is times 2. So it will be around 675,000 pesos. Okay? So aside from the lump sum amount po na marireceive ng iyong beneficiary, okay, kapag namatay ang policy holder, malilipat na po sa iyong beneficiary ang iyong Kaiser Plan. So, meaning magkakaroon siya ng sarili niyang healthcare plan. Okay, so once again, covered tayo nito ng 20 years. Kung 51 ka ngayon, hanggang 71 covered ka. Kung like for example, 55 ka, hanggang 75 covered ka. No? So, 20 years po yan. Alright? And we have the accidental death and dismemberment. So should the members suffer directly and independently of all other causes, any bodily injury affected solely through external, violent, and accidental mean occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit, which result in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following. Okay? So ito naman, kapag tayo ay na-aksidente po, pero hindi tayo namatay. Pero, na-loss, kumbaga, nawalan tayo ng mga part ng ating katawan. Nawalan ng both hands. Okay? The loss of both feet. Loss of one hand and sight of one eye. Yung isang mata na bulag. Okay? Yung loss of one foot, paa, tsaka nabulag yung isang mata. The loss of both sides. So, yung talagang nabulag yung dalawang mata mo. And loss of one hand and one foot. So, may claim pa rin po tayo kay Kaiser. Alright? So, Kaiser is going to pay as 100% po. Okay? Ng A, B, and D. Alright. One of the most frequently asked question. This is the Family Assistance Service. So, meron, di ba, ang laging tanong, magagamit din po ba ng aking beneficiary ang Kaiser? Always remember that Kaiser is an individual plan. Ito pong plan na ito ay individual and dapat tayo lang ang gagamit. But once again, Kaiser give us the opportunity yung may family assistance service. Okay. So the policy should be in active status and plan should have completed at least 1 year payment. So dapat po active ang plan ninyo at naka 1 year na kayo magbayad. Nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policy holder or within the first degree of consanguinity. So dapat po ang gagamit ng family assistance ay pwedeng asawa, anak, magulang. Okay, the first degree family. So policyholder agrees to avail only of the services of Kaiser's accredited doctors and affiliated network of hospitals. So dadalhin nyo dapat sila sa mga accredited hospitals na ng Kaiser. Assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be to the extent of the allowable benefits due to the member under his policy. And then prior to discharge of the nominated patient, payment should have been settled to Kaiser. Okay. So ito po, mostly, kung iintindihin natin ito, ang naibibigay po na family assistance, okay, na family assistance ni Kaiser is yung ma-admit po ang inyong kamag-anak sa hospital without paying the deposit. Diba, most of the hospitals in the Philippines right now, humihingi po sila ng deposit para ma-admit, okay, ang inyong pasyente or ang inyong family member. So for example, ako, yung anak ko, kailangan siyang ma-admit sa hospital and wala po akong cash na available, but I have a Kaiser healthcare policy. Pwede ko pong gamitin yung card ko para ma-admit yung anak ko. Okay, hindi ko kailangan magbayad ng deposit. Alright? Pero once po na lalabas na yung anak ko, for example, sa hospital, dapat po na-settle ko na yung bayarin. Babayaran ko na siya. Okay? So yan po ang one of the family assistance na pwedeng ibigay ni Kaiser. So Kaiser's approval to avail of such assistance must first be obtained by the member and the issuance of LOA will then be given. Okay? So this is, again, subject pa rin po yan sa approval ni Kaiser. Kasi nga, the HMO product that we have is for individual use. Yun sa atin lang siya magagamit. But kailangan siya i-approve ni Kaiser. Ayan. So kapag po tayo ay may family member na ipapa-admit, kailangan po natin ibigay agad, no? Ipaalam agad sa reception na Kaiser holder tayo at ipapagamit natin ang family assistance kasi itatawag po yan sa Kaiser for the approval. So please note that this assistance is an accommodation and not considered a benefit of the plan. Hence, approval and denial on the ailment solely depends on Kaiser management evaluation. Okay, so dito tayo sa phase 2, the extended period, the 8th to 20th year. Di ba si Kaiser, 7 years lang naman siya binabayaran. So ano po ba ang mangyayari sa ating, ano ba ang nangyari sa ating pera, sa mga binayad natin kay Kaiser, no? On the 8th to 20th year, ano ang mangyayari? Alright, the Kaiser funds allocation. So at least 51% of payments made by plan holders automatically goes to a trust fund as required by government. Kaiser cannot touch this trust fund. It is reserved for future claims by the plan holders. Meaning po, yung 51% na binayad natin kay Kaiser, hindi po yan pwede galawin ni Kaiser. Okay? Required po yan ng government na ilagay sa trust fund. Okay? Dahil nga, in the future, meron tayong mga claims. Okay, so the Kaiser Trust Fund are managed by 2 international banks. This is the ING Bank sa Netherlands and the Dutch Bank sa Germany. Alright, yung remaining na 49%, so dito po, papasok na ang investment. Okay, 49% goes to investment. Portion of which is managed by Soldivo funds. Okay? So, on the 8th year po, yung mga other health benefits natin na hindi natin nagagamit is naka-invest po yun. And minamanage yan ng Soldibo Funds. Soldibo Funds is a mutual fund company in the Philippines. Alright? Ang mutual fund company na ito, so nag-i-invest po yan saan? Sa stock market, indirectly. And nilalagay po ang ating mga pera sa malalaking companies in the Philippines like Jollibee, Ayala, BDO, SM, okay, ganun po. And then, ayan. So, on the 8th to the 20th year, this is the extended period. So, nag-start ito ng 51, no? Hanggang 71 years old. Okay. Okay. So, every year po, starting from 8th year hanggang 20th year, ang ating long-term care benefit, ito pong K-75 plan, meron itong face amount value na 75,000. Itong 75,000 on the 8th year, okay, on the 8th year, nag-generate po ito ng 10% yearly interest na 7,500. So this is compounding, meaning po ang interest, nag-i-interest. Okay? So, hanggang 20th year, ang accumulated health benefits, most of projected is the 202,312. Okay? So, ito naman na makikita nyo, yearly health bonus, accumulated health bonus, ito yung mga other benefits natin na hindi po natin nagagamit. So, syempre, naka-invest din yan. And the projected value, okay, hanggang sa ika-20th year is nasa 334,814. So, pre-calculated na po yan ni Kaiser. And itong long-term care benefit natin na 75,000 face amount value, makukuha din po natin ito sa maturity age. Okay? And then, makikita nyo itong long-term care bonus upon maturity. Okay? So, if no claim during saving period, ito po ay bonus na 262,500. Kapag, okay, kapag sa loob ng 1 hanggang 7 taon, hindi po kayo na ospital or hindi kayo na-admit sa hospital, wala po kayong claims, guaranteed po na ibabalik ni Kaiser ang almost 85% ng binayad natin upon maturity. Okay, so if you are going to calculate, no, pag binalik sa atin ni Kaiser ang almost 85% kapag nag-mature na ang ating plan, so parang binayad natin kay Kaiser is parang 15% lang. Covered na tayo ng healthcare, covered pa tayo ng insurance, and tumubo pa po ang ating pera sa investment side. So napakaganda po ng program ni Kaiser. Kaya nga, no, as a financial consultant, I always advise to start your Kaiser as early as possible. Ayan, dahil kumaga, i-grab natin ang advantage na wala pa tayong sakit. Hindi naman kasi tayo kumuha talaga ng healthcare para gamitin agad natin. This is to prepare pag dumating po ang panahon na matanda na tayo at nagsilabasa na ang ating mga sakit, no? Especially mga OFW. Most of the OFWs po, kapag umuwi ng Pilipinas, ano nangyayari? Nagsilabasan po ang mga sakit. So, ang mga iniipon ng napakatagal na panahon sa ibang bansa, nauubos pampagamot. Alright? So, kailan po magmamature ang ating Kaiser Plan? So, after 20 years. Okay? So, dahil 51 ito nag-start, pag 71 niya, mature na po ang kanyang Kaiser Plan. So, i-check nyo na lang po, no? Ang age nyo, yung mga nagpagawa ng quotation. Alright? So, age nyo, dagdagan nyo na lang ng 20 years para malaman nyo kung kailan magmamature ang inyong plan. So, once mo magmature ang inyong plan, this is the projected value, 874,626. So, ito po ay good as cash. Kaya nga, no, sinasabi ko lagi na this Kaiser Plan is also good as retirement fund. Kasi kung ayaw mo na ng Kaiser, for example, 71 ka na, malakas ka pa rin, hindi ka nagkakasakit, gusto mo na lang kunin itong pera, pwede po. Good as cash na siya. Alright? So, let's discuss the long-term care period from 21st year onwards. Okay. So ito kanina, no? This is the calculation, and your maturity value is around 874,626. Ano po ba ang choice mo kapag nag-mature na ang plan mo, ano ang pwede mong gawin. Alright, so your first choice or first option is the continued health benefits with term life insurance. So pwede mo pong iwanan lang ito kay Kaiser, i-continue mo po ang health benefits mo, covered ka pa rin ng healthcare, and pwede nyo po i-continue, di ba, 71, so pwede mo yan i-continue na life insurance, choice mo po yun. Alright, and then, or gusto mo po i-continue ang health benefits with yearly increment, annual withdrawal of the yearly increment term. So, pwede mo pong iwanan ulit ito kay Kaiser. Ilagay mo lang dyan sa Kaiser fund mo. Continue pa rin po ang healthcare coverage. And, ito pong choice number 2 is pwede mong kunin ang iyong yearly interest. Okay? So, nagwi-withdraw ka every year ng in-interest ni Kaiser. Pwede po yun. Or, you can partial withdraw up to 50% of the total health benefits. Pwede niyo pong kunin ang kalahati, iwanan ang kalahati. Alright? Of course, may Kaiser ka pa rin and covered ka pa rin ng healthcare benefits. Dahil yung kalahati ay continuous pa rin po na mag-generate yun ng interest. Okay? Or, the full withdrawal of total health benefits. Kung pag-age mo po ng 71 after 20 years, okay? So, ayaw mo na ng Kaiser, pwede mo pong i-withdraw na lang ito lahat. Okay? So, pag withdraw mo lahat yan, of course, wala ka ng Kaiser Healthcare. So, yun nga, good as a retirement fund. Okay. Ayan. So, ito yung choice mo kanina, no? Na other one, like, for example, every year, may 10% yearly interest siya. So, sa plan na ito, it can go range. Ang range na nasa 87,462. Pwede po yan i-withdraw every year. But of course, this is projected value. Hindi guaranteed yan. Okay? Pwedeng mas mataas yan, pwedeng mas mababa. Depende po sa performance ng stock market. Okay? So, once again, check nyo na lang po sa age nyo, sa quotation, kung hanggang kailan po yung 20 years. Okay? And then, ayan. So, the long-term care benefit, kapag po ang choice mo is iniwanan mo lang si Kaiser, iniwanan mo lang kay Kaiser yung fund mo, di ba yung fund mo kanina is 874,626, iniwan mo lang yan sa kanya, the projected value po ng iyong Kaiser fund, pag nag-age ka ng 80, nasa 2 million. Alright? Nasa 2,062,000. So, ito ang bonus mo. Pwede mo pong, kung may yung choice mo na kinukuha mo yung interest, pwede po. Okay? This is with bonus. Ayan. So, this is money working for you. So, remember, once again, the policy holder starts at the age of 51. So, syempre, dito po sa investment side, dito kayo nagkakaiba-iba. Depende po kasi kung anong age kayo nagsimula. But if your age is 51, ito po yung projected value para sa age nyo. But kung ibang age po, alright, for example, 55, so i-check nyo na lang po sa binigay ko sa inyo na quotation dun sa baba kung magkano ang long-term care Kaiser fund nyo at the age of 80. Okay, so the investment growth varies from the time you started your Kaiser plan. Ayan. So yun nga, magkakaiba kayo na mga nagpagawa ng quote, so depende po yan sa age. So dito po kayo nagkakaiba sa investment side. But up to the maturity calculation, same po kayo. Okay? So hanggang 20 years, same po yan, nagkakaiba lang sa pag nag-age na ng 80. Yun sa investment side. Okay? Kapag mas maaga ka kasi nagsimula, mas malaki ang growth ng pera sa investment side. So dito makikita nyo po the importance of time. Because time is money when it comes to investment. Okay? Ayan. So dito, the next one, ito yung overview ng quotation natin kanina. But then, let's go to the payment terms. Okay, so payment terms, sa plan po na ito, ang sa lowest plan na K-75, the K-75, yung monthly installment is 4,412. Okay, yan po ang monthly payment. So, pwedeng quarterly, nasa 12,794. Pwede po ang semi-annual, nasa 23,823. So, itong semi-annual, may free ito na 1 month every year. And the annual payment is around 44,116. May free naman po ito na 2 months every year. Of course, the spot cash is around 280,000. Mas malaki po ang discount dyan. Alright? Ako po as a financial advisor, I always advise na kung wala pa tayong enough na money right now, kasi syempre maganda po mag-annual, alright? Dahil may free na 2 months, pero kung wala pa po tayong enough money right now, I always suggest po that you start with monthly installment. Okay? Dahil sa pag nag-monthly po kayo, okay, at least po ma-enforce na ang policy. Okay? Para po kung ano man ang mangyari, like for example, may mangyari sa atin after 2 days, basta enforce ang policy, kahit pa paano po ay may claim ang beneficiary mo, di ba? Meron siyang makiklaim. Kung accident, ito ang makiklaim niya. Around 675,000. So, kaya nga po, ang ina-advise ko, you start with monthly if you don't have enough money right now. Wherein naman, like for example, pwede kayong mag-upgrade. Like for example, no, nag-start ka ng monthly this year, then next year, naisipan mo mag-annual, pwede po yun. That is what we call the upgrading of plan. But once po tayo nag-choose na mag-annual or nag-upgrade na tayo ng annual, ayan, so hindi na po tayo pwede bumalik sa monthly payment. So, walang downgrading. Alright? So, PhilHealth. Your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser. So, lahat naman po ng insurance dito sa Pilipinas ay naka-integrate po yan sa Kaiser. Diba? Ang unang binabawas talaga sa bills natin is the PhilHealth. And then yung natitira, yun po ang sinasagot ng insurance. Okay? So, kapag naman po si PhilHealth, pag tayo ay walang PhilHealth, tayo po ang mag-shoulder nun, yung binabawas sa PhilHealth. Kaya better yet po, get yourself a PhilHealth also. Okay? Ayan. So the grace periods, di ba, pag nagbabayad tayo, meron po tayong due date. Okay? So for example, you started this month, and then your due date is the same date next month. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na grace period na another 30 days sa due date natin. So, meron kang another na 30 araw. Alright? So, kapag po lumagpas doon sa 30 days na grace period natin at hindi ka pa nakapagbayad ng due date mo, magiging inactive or lapse ang iyong plan. Kapag lapse po ang plan, syempre inactive, meaning kapag may nangyari sa atin, wala tayong claims. Alright? So, once naman po mag-lapse, for example, hindi natin inaasahan, nag-lapse po ang ating plan, naging inactive, si Kaiser po ay binibigyan tayo ng chance to reinstate or ipa-active ulit ang ating plan. Alright? So kapag pina-active natin yan, may bayad lang yan na 300 pesos para sa reinstatement fee. Okay? Once updated na po ang ating plan, ayan. So, of course, we will still enjoy the benefits. Ayan. But si Kaiser po is very generous, no? Binibigyan tayo ng 2 years. 2 years to reinstate, no? The Kaiser Plan. So, kapag po nag-fail tayo na i-reinstate yan within 2 years, kapag yan ay inactive, saka lang po mapo-forfeit ang ating binayad. So, at least Kaiser is very generous dahil ang haba po ng time na ibinibigay niya for us to do the reinstatement. Kasi ang iba pong insurance company, 6 months, ang iba 1 year, forfeit na po agad ang lahat ng kanilang binayad. So at least Kaiser is giving us a very long time, no? For us na ipa-active ulit ang ating plan. Okay. One of the most asked question also, kapag po ba sinurrender ko ang aking Kaiser plan, may makukuha po ba akong cash? Makukuha ko pa rin po ba yung mga binayad ko? Okay, sa healthcare value natin, the owner may surrender the contract for its cash value is stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least a year. Dapat po ang plan nyo is active. At least nakapagbayad kayo ng 1 taon. Then, kung ayaw nyo na, you can surrender the plan. The thing is, lahat mo ng insurance company, okay, kapag nag-surrender po tayo ng plan, hindi naman po natin nakukuha ang ating lahat ng binayad. So, partially may makukuha tayo, pero very minimal. Okay? So, hindi po lahat, konti lang po. Depende po yan sa schedule of benefits natin. So, ako po as a financial consultant, hindi ako nag-a-advise na to surrender the plan. Kasi, this is one of our basic needs and one day po, kakailanganin talaga natin ang healthcare kasi wala tayong takas sa sakit. Sa ayaw at sa gusto natin ay magkakasakit tayo. Alright? So, though pwede nyo i-surrender kung gusto nyo. But ako po ay hindi ko yan ina-advise talaga. Yan. So, transferability, transferability of the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So ito po, pwede ba natin i-transfer ang ating Kaiser Healthcare Plan pag ayaw na natin? Yes po, pwede. Pero matatransfer mo lang po ito sa iyong beneficiary. Kung sino ang sinulat mo doon sa Kaiser online form. Okay? For example, ayaw mo na ng Kaiser, ibigay mo po siya sa anak mo, pwede. Okay? Pwede po yun. Pwede mo siya i-transfer sa beneficiary mo. Pero hindi siya pwede i-benta. Okay? Ayan. So, upgrading of mode of payment. So, na-discuss ko na po ito kanina. No? Balikan natin. Alright? So, for example, monthly ka nag-start, gusto mo po mag-annual, pwede po kayo magpa-upgrade ng pagbabayad. Pero hindi natin siya pwede, kapag upgraded na, hindi na po pwede mag-downgrade. So, pag magpapa-upgrade ng plan, yun lang po, may bayad tayo na 300 na fee sa amendment. Okay? And then, let's go. So, kapag po na-approve na ang inyong Kaiser Plan, like for example, nagustuhan nyo po itong plan na ito at kumuha kayo, na-approve na po ang inyong Kaiser Plan, magkakaroon po kayo ng sarili nyong online portal sa Kaiser website. So, sa loob po niyan, nandyan po ang inyong policy, nandyan po sa loob niyan ang iyong temporary health card, and nandito rin po sa loob niyan ang inyong payment history. Yung mga bayad nyo po ay naka-record dyan para na monitor ninyo. Okay? And then, ayan, kapag tapos na kayo magbayad ng 7 taon, may marireceive naman kayo na Certificate of Full Payment. Ayan, so ganyan po. So this is my Certificate of Full Payment. And of course, the Kaiser Permanent Visa Card. Okay? So, yan po ang marireceive natin kapag tayo ay fully paid na. Ayan. So, once again, Kaiser, ayan, isa po ito sa napakagandang investment, napakagandang program sa ating mga Filipino, especially for us to prepare, no, sa pagdating ng panahon na magkasakit tayo, especially kapag nag-retire na tayo. Ayan. Kasi si Kaiser answers our 3 major financial needs during productive years and retirement years. So si Kaiser, no, meron po siyang kasamang healthcare fund. So itong healthcare, this is to protect yourself, ourselves, especially if tayo ay breadwinner, we need to protect ourselves kasi darating po ang araw, manghihina tayo, magkakasakit tayo sa ayaw at sa gusto natin. Better po na mag-prepare na tayo right now na malakas pa tayo. And covered po tayo nito hanggang 60 years old and beyond. Kahit mag-100 tayo po, ay covered tayo nito as long as meron pang pera ang ating Kaiser account. Meron pa siyang pondo. Okay? And then, the life insurance coverage, this is to protect your family. Okay? Kasi nga, lalo na kung ikaw ay magulang, breadwinner, okay? At maraming umaasa sa'yo, life insurance is very important. Para kung bigla tayong kunin ni Lord, syempre, we don't know what will happen tomorrow. So, pag kinuha tayo ni Lord, nandin natin inaasahan, kahit pa paano po ay may marireceive na lump sum amount or insurance amount ang ating mga maiiwan for them to continue their life, especially kung they are nakadepende sa atin. Ayan. So, ang purpose ng life insurance is to protect our family and cover tayo nito ng 20 years. And of course, one of the best thing also is the investment. No? Good as a retirement fund din siya. So, ang Kaiser po ay may kasamang investment na pwedeng mag-generate ng up to 10% per annum. Okay? So, napakaganda po because these are the basic needs. Kumbaga, ito talaga ang pinakakailangan natin, especially po kapag tumanda na tayo. No? Better be prepared right now dahil syempre, tayo, wala po tayong ligtas sa sakit. Kahit ngayon pa nga na bata tayong sakitin, nagkakasakit na tayo, what more papagtanda natin. And yun nga, once again, ang nangyayari sa mga kalimitan sa mga Pilipino, no, dito sa Pilipinas, kapag po walang healthcare, kahit nag-ipon, nauubos po lahat ng ipon. Sa mga ating ka-OFW naman, kapag umuwi sa Pilipinas, most of our ka-OFWs is nagsisilibasan na po ang mga sakit. So kapag walang healthcare, okay, ano ang nangyayari? Lahat po ng inipon ng napakatagal sa ibang bansa, 'di ba? Ay nagagasto sa pampagamot hanggang sa maubos. Right? So, parang ang ipinag-ipunan natin, pampagamot natin. So, better yet po, you prepare yourself with a healthcare plan. Okay? Para kahit papano, yun po muna ang magagastos kapag tayo ay magkasakit at hindi po tayo masyado mag-worry. Kasi napakahirap na may sakit ka na, nag-worry ka pa ng pampagamot mo. So, lalo tayong nagkakasakit. Alright? So, right now, Kaiser Medical Center, ayan po. Meron na po tayong mga existing Kaiser Medical Clinics sa NCR. Alright? And sa Cebu. So, up to now po, Kaiser is still expanding. Nag-expand pa siya sa mga ating probinsya. But of course, if there is no Kaiser Medical Clinic, marami po tayong hospitals na accredited nationwide. Ayan. So, this is actually the end of our discussion for the K-75 plan. So, once again, this is the lowest premium para po sa age 51 years old to 60 years old ng Kaiser Plan. Ayan. So, if you have any questions po and clarifications, please feel free to message me para po mag-guide and ma-assist ko kayo. And if you want to start your Kaiser Healthcare Plan, kahit po nasa Pilipinas kayo or even you are in abroad, pwedeng-pwede na po kayo mag-start because we do have the online process. I'm here naman to guide and assist you. Ayan. So, thank you very much po. And I hope na i-consider ninyo ang pagkuha ng healthcare kasi this is napaka-importante talaga nito pagtanda natin. Ayan. So, thank you very much. Once again, this is me, Angela Chodoro, and I hope na i-message niyo po ako. Thank you po.